Check out this absolutely beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Nomad. It is a Bel Air. It is stunning. I always say there are cars that are restored. There's different levels of restoration. This car is beautifully, professionally restored with a high quality restoration on it. All the trim, the bright work, the chrome, the body is laser straight. Besides the fact this car's got more options than any I've seen. I mean, this car's got power windows, power seat, air conditioning, all factory air, numbers matching, 283. It's just absolutely, it's running right now. She runs smooth, shifts, it's a 3-speed manual transmission. I mean, just well, look at the inside. Look at the interior of this car. Everything works as it should. Even the air blows cold. Check it out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Don't think you'll find a nice one anywhere. And the restoration is amazing. We have pictures and documents of the restoration. Local estate sale. Beautiful.